Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to recover deleted contacts from your Android smartphone. So let's begin. So let me open my contacts. So before we begin the process, I would like to tell you that this method will work only if you have saved all of your contacts to your Google account. So it is the best idea to always save and synchronize your contacts with your Google account. So let's begin. Now, for example, if you have by mistake or accidentally delete one of your contacts from the phone book, so let delete one of my contacts from my mobile phone. So let me delete this number. So delete. So here I press or tap on delete. So you can see here deleted contact successfully. Now to get back this deleted contacts or recover this deleted contacts, what you have to do is, so since I have already save my contacts to my Google account, so I can recover my deleted contact from Google account. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, go to Chrome. Now type on the address, that is on the address bar, type this website link, that is contacts dot google.com. So go to this website, that is contacts.google.com, and if you have more than one Google account link with your Android smartphone, then tap here to select your respective Google account. So here I have multiple Google accounts have in my Android mobile. So let me first select my account that is synchronized with my contacts. Now here you will see here contacts. So now to recover or get back your deleted contacts, tap on these three lines, and here you'll see here trust. So just tap on it. Now you'll see here all of your deleted contacts. Now to restore this deleted contacts to your contact book, just tap on it, and you'll see here recover option. So just tap on it, tap on the contacts that you want to restore, and tap here on recover option, and now go back to your contacts and see, your contacts has been restored successfully. So you can see here the deleted contacts has been restored in my contacts application successfully. So it's a best idea to always backup or save all of your contacts to your Google account. So that's it, how you can restore or recover deleted contacts from your Android smartphone. So hope you like this video, and also if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.